Thanks for watching. We're going to be installing a Sconce light with a on-off switch tapping power into an electrical outlet. I just want to explain everything to you guys, that everything must go in a continuous circle. So I drew it out here so you could understand what's going on with the wires, because that's probably going to be your number one question. You have your electrical outlet, you have your on-off switch, and you have your light. Each one of these has two prongs representing positive and negative, or the on-off switch just has two because it's a kill switch. Okay, and over here you got your positive and negative, so left and right side. If you're not sure on your electrical receptacle, one screw will be gold and one screw will be silver. You just need to use one on each side and one on the other side. So make sure you go into a continuous circle. So from your electrical receptacle, you will hook up one wire and you will go to the light switch. Usually you have about two of these. Sometimes they're on the same side where you got a screw, and you would wrap a wire around one of them, and the other wire would go over here to the light, and then the light going from here down to here to the other side of the receptacle. So all that's happening is there's constant power, but over here, if I could explain this to you guys, the light switch is like a cutoff. So when you hit the switch, it connects the two together, and when you separate it or turn it off, it separates it. That kills the power going to that. So that continuous circle is now cut off, and it stops there until somebody tells it to turn on or off. Okay, let's get started. I have my on-off switch all wired up, and I have the wire going to the electrical outlet and one wire going up to the light. Use the diagram for a reference. Everything's all wired up now, and I had to fish the wires through the wall. Now I'm getting ready to hang the LED light onto the wall. I know exactly where it's going. Double check and make sure that your circuit breaker is off so you don't get electrocuted. I got everything all wired up. I'm ready to flip the switch, and all I have to do is patch up those holes on the wall and we're good to go. There you go. That's it. That's all it takes. And that's how easy that was. I hope I explained everything to you guys, and I hope I wasn't too confusing. And this is how you turn it off and turn it on. And off and on. That's how you do that, okay? So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this video helped you.